Hello guys, welcome to Looker Beginner Series. Myself is Rajiv Prabha. In today's video, I am going to discuss how to register ourselves in Google Cloud Skill Boost. So as I said in previous classes or in previous class, we should register ourselves in Google Cloud Skill Boost to practice Looker. So here is the steps. Just type Google Skill Boost. Then you can see the first link. Click on this first link, then it will navigate to a next page. Here you have to click on join. So click on join. Then it will open the next page. So where you have to select sign in with Google. So here click on sign in with Google. So if you have logged in your Gmail account already, then it will show the Gmail account. So since I have already logged into my Gmail account, so it is giving my or showing my Gmail account. So click on this Gmail account. Now, so here, right, you have to click on or select I am not robot and click on accept. Now you are able to successfully log into Google Cloud Skill Boost. Here you can practice or you can access the Looker BI. So the in the next coming video, I'll show you how to access or how to log into Looker BI. So thanks for watching. We'll catch up in the next video.